Hola, buenos días. Hoy tenemos la prueba de práctica de miércoles el 5 de mayo. I think it's from this week, the 5th of May or maybe the 6th of May. Prueba de práctica. Vamos a hacerlo juntos. All right, check it out. Complete the sentences with words from the list. Use each word only once. We have camarero, the waiter. Ensalada, salad. Cuenta, the bill. Desayuno, breakfast. And melocotón, a melon. So, esta mañana comí frutas en el... So you ate fruit for what? Yeah, desayuno. Mi compañero de cuarto come yogurte. What flavor did he have? Melocotón, probably, yeah. It's the only flavor we have there, melocotón. Nosotros pagamos la... What do you pay? Yeah, la cuenta. Yo le pedí el menú al... You ask for the menu from who? From the waiter. Camarero. And quiero una... I want a blank with lechuga, tomates y zanahorias. That would be a good. Ensalada. Yeah, perfecto. Okay. Okay, select the best word or phrase to complete each sentence. A mí me gusta la carne de res, pero prefiero el... So I like red meat, but I prefer... We got sugar, fish, and vinegar, probably for a main course, fish. Los niños desayunaron cereal con... Cereal, what do you put with your cereal? Sandwiches? Peppers? Milk? Ah, leche, milk. Muy bien. Mis padres pidieron para beber. To drink, you're going to have? Oh, cerveza, beer. Interesante, okay. Y Cecilia escogió comida de mar, the ocean. So something from the ocean. You got it, camarones, some shrimp. Tengo mucho calor. Quiero tomar un... So if you're hot, you're probably going to have oil, ham, probably iced tea, té helado. Okay. Y Catalina y Sofía blank las zanahorias. Are they going to visit? Are they going to prefer? What are they going to do? They're going to die? No. Feel, it's two people. So they're going to consiguieron. Yeah, consiguieron. Which just means to get or to order. So, el dueño blank el 6 de noviembre pasado. The dueño, let's see. The owner, only thing that makes sense is he died. Oh, murió. Marcos y Rafael blank contentos. Maybe they feel happy. Yeah, se sintieron. And Natalia blank muy elegante para la fiesta. If you go to a party, you're going to want to dress up. Is there a get dressed one? Se vistió, sí. And usted blank los entremeses. Entremeses. You blank the appetizers. You, what's left? Prefer them. Prefiero. Or in this case, sorry, prefirió. Con usted. Usted prefirió los entremeses. Bueno. Fill in the blanks with a preterite. Gabriel pidió una sopa de verduras. Sergio y Juan. Servir. Two people. It's a weird one. Sirvieron. Sirvieron. El plato principal. And Paula. Right. Siguió con su café. Y Sandra y Rosa, two people, so it's, yeah. Durmieron, durmieron todo el día. They slept all day, and I preferí cenar langosta, lobster. Y Carlos Alberto y yo, so it's the nosotros form, because it's them and me. So repetir is repetimos el menú ayer. All right, preguntas y respuestas. ¿Cuándo te compraron las bebidas? ¿Cuándo is when. So the only one that tells when is with no. Anteayer is the day before yesterday. Anteayer me las compraron. ¿Dónde le ofreció Silvia su almuerzo a la compañera? So, ¿dónde? Where? There's something that says where? Where's a good place? Yeah, bueno, en la cafetería. So, se lo ofreció en la cafetería. And the lo is actually el almuerzo being replaced. So, she offers it in the cafeteria. ¿Cómo les sirvieron los platos a ustedes? How do they serve the plates to you? How do they serve them? How do they serve y'all? So the question is, nos los sirvieron con vino. And ¿quién me preparó la cena? ¿Quién is who? So ¿quién me preparó la cena? Need a person's name? Marcela te la preparó. So Marcela prepares it for you. So the te is for you. La is for la cena. En la última, ¿a qué hora les enseñaron las clases a las estudiantes? ¿A qué hora? You need a time. Bueno, al mediodía. Al mediodía. Se las enseñaron. Oops. Oh no. Hold on. Okay, seleccionar. Select the correct double object pronouns to complete each sentence. Ooh, double object pronouns. Remember that direct object pronouns, we got the lo, la, los, and las mostly. And the indirect ones, we got le and les. Like, remember le gusta, les gustan. So let's see what happens here. Parte 6. Kind of tricky. Los chefs preparan langosta para nosotros. And it's like, is that right? So they are preparing it for us. Okay, so they are preparing is the prepararon. So we need it to us. So it to us has to be nos la. La camarera llevó las ensaladas a tu mesa. De verdad. Let's see. Ooh, so the girl brought the salads to your table. So las ensaladas, we know las, and it's to you. So te las, yeah. El restaurante le recomienda a usted el pavo. The restaurant recommends to you the turkey. So you could replace el pavo with lo. And it's to you, it really would be le, but they don't like to have lay low together. Lay low together. They just want it to be se lo. So anything lay low or le low, they don't like two L's together. They make it se lo. And tú compraste esos zapatos para mí? Did you buy these shoes for me? Yes, you brought them for me. So you got the me for me, and then los zapatos, or estos zapatos, can be replaced with los. So me los compraste. And el turista les entregó la propina a la empleada. Whoa, the tourist gave the tip to the employee. Good, the employee is a person. And then the tip is la propina, so we need with la in it. So it would really be, they don't want to have le la together. They put se la. Bueno. A little tough there, but you got it. Okay, words with más, menos, tan, tanto, and tantos again. Let's see where I am in here. Yay. Okay, el jugo es blank delicioso como. Because there's a como, you have to put what? Tan. Oops, tan. Tan delicioso como la leche. Los huevos me gustan blank como la carne. Oh, we have a como. So we're talking about eggs. Let's see. I like them as much as meat. So as much as, because there's no adjective there. We're actually going to make it tanto, as much. Tanto como la carne. Tanto como la carne. El café es blank caro que el agua. Coffee is blank expensive than water. If you think about it, usually coffee costs more than water. So let's say it's more expensive. It's más caro que el agua. And la lechuga cuesta blank que la langosta. If you know anything about lettuce and lobster, it's gonna lettuce will cost, you got it, less than, menos que la langosta. And Maria y yo comimos blank platos que no nos sentimos bien. So Maria and I are eating, okay, since it's platos, we need to have, it's a thing. Because you can't just put tan, you have to put tantos to make it go with platos. Tantos, platos. So tan goes in front of an adjective, like delicioso, but you need tanto for tanto como or tantos platos. Make it match up. I know. Okay. Poco más. Select the best comparative to complete each sentence. All right, we got Ricardo and Pedro. They're people. We're probably not going to say he's more or less. That's kind of mean, but he's, hey, older than, mayor que Pedro. And este restaurante es pequeño. It's a small restaurant. It has blank 30 tables. So if it's a small restaurant, I'm thinking it has less than 30 tables. Is there a less than? Right, menos de. Menos de 30 mesas. And the reason we have de is because there's a number left next. Menos de 30 mesas. And las arvejas, peas, son blank. Los tomates. You're right, they're smaller than las arvejas, so it's más pequeñas. Que. Más que. Más que. And las peras, pears, son blank. Las manzanas. You can't do caros. It have to be something worse than... Yeah, the only one that makes sense is sabrosas, because you have peras, sabrosas. And I'm going to prepare... Oh, we have a number, so what goes in front of a number each time? Right, de. Más de 50 sandwiches. Yay. Okay. Whew. Superlativos, superlatives. Comer langosta es, eating lobster is carísimo, very expensive. Los camareros son, you got it, hardworking, trabajadorcísimos, trabajadorcísimos. And la chuleta de cerdo está, the pork chop is happy, mad, probably tasty, sabrosísima. The other ones just don't make sense. And las sillas del restaurante son, the seats are they nervous? Are they rich? Oh, they're cómodos. So, comodísimas, they're comfortable. And preparar una ensalada de frutas es facilísimo. Yeah, it is easy as opposed to short or beautiful. Just kind of makes sense. And the superlatives. Remember, you have to have el, la, los, or las. And then like más or menos or one of those special ones. And then the adjective. So, la carne de res es una carne sabrosa. Es la más sabrosa. Yay. Diego es un empleado amable. So he is what? Let's say he's the most. El más amable. And Felipe and Juan Carlos son unos malos camareros. They're bad waiters. Let's say they're the worst. Remember, you don't say the baddest, you say the worst. Los peores, peores. And la pera es una fruta deliciosa. Es, how do you say it's the most delicious?